go ahead and do that, and that's how you launch your Mavic 2. So I'm gonna go ahead and fly it. Always have it here, make sure to update it, and then you can just go ahead and let go. So if you want to go ahead and learn how to land this, all right, even though you're in the old water, what you want to do is the wind is blowing this direction. Do not cut it here. You want to cut it right here. That's where you want to catch it at, okay? Don't go too low. How about right there? Don't go too low. See? And it's gonna go down. Yeah, just in case, because see what happened is, if you're right here, the Mavic is gonna go to your face. The wind is gonna go to gust, so you always want to go away from the wind. All right, we're gonna do one more time. And go from here. Always, when you launch the Mavic, also want to launch it that side. All right, never launch it in front of you. This thing will chop your face off. Again, one more time. See, I'm in the water. I got birds too. One more time. See? All right. Yeah, it's crazy. Oh wow. Again. One more time. All right, we're gonna do one more time, guys. All right, I'm gonna relaunch it again. I'm gonna do a hand launch. See, in the water. You guys gonna see it again. Same thing. See that? Again, so you won't kill your face. Again. See, it's too impossible for you to land. See? You will not land in the water. See? So you gotta like force it to land. So it will not land in the water, guys. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and launch it again. Again, the wind is blowing this direction. You wanna go in front of the drone. And then you wanna go ahead and catch it right here. Okay? See? That's how it works. Again. One more time. I'm gonna go ahead and relaunch. Relaunch the car drone. Hold on, one more time. Okay, and then I'm gonna land right here again one more time. See? Again, I'm in the water. Wanna launch it? Look at that. And it's blowing like around 30 something right now. Maybe 30 or 27, but it's blowing, guys. So, okay? All right, thank you.